Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device model and OS version so you know which menu labels to expect. Once done, make sure your SIM is active and your carrier account is reachable. Now open the phone app and tap the three-dot menu or gear icon, then select Settings or Call Settings. You do this because many display options live inside Call Preferences. Keep an eye on terms like Caller ID, Incoming Call Display, or Call Display while you proceed to the next step. Now you locate Incoming Call Display, Caller ID, or similar within Call Settings and tap it. You will see choices like Full Screen, Pop-up, or Compact Banner. Pick the one that fits how you want calls presented. Make sure to also toggle options for showing caller photo, number only, or contact name, because these affect what appears during the call. If the change doesn't apply immediately, close the phone app and reopen it to verify the selected display mode is active. Finish by saving any changes and testing the setup with a trusted number so you confirm the chosen display appears as expected. If the mode did not update, reboot the device to clear cached UI settings. Often that forces the new display to load. If problems persist, check the phone app's permissions and your carrier's app for call handling overrides, because some carriers control display. One quick troubleshooting tip: toggle caller ID off and back on, then restart the phone app to refresh settings.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.